So wanted to show some examples here of, I had the question this week, POS integration regarding our Hanwha NVRs. So I wanted to go and look and show some actual integration with the Hanwha NVR. So I created this little emulator, so like a COM port emulator, like you would have a ticket generator or a receipt printer sending the serial information over to your system, your NVR. So from there, if I run this emulation, immediately you see this T up here. And that T nomenclates that you're getting some type of event. So there's an actual event that takes place, and there's the receipt that comes through, and you'll see the highlights as well from that receipt that came through at that given time. So now if I go over to my setup, and the reason for those highlights, we'll touch on that real quick, going from there from setup to device to text here. I got this listening on port 7001 and being sent directly from that emulator or a serial port, printer, etc. To the NVR. So if I go in here to events, I've actually flagged anything over $10 I want to, and in the real world scenario, probably over $100, something like that. And then voids, right? Very big thing in the retail world. So now any voids that I see, and then I put a couple other things in here word-wise, and you can obviously add, delete from there. So let's go back and look and see how this is important. So if I wanted to do a search now based on video of POS text information, I can actually go in here and I can select yesterday and today from where I've been kind of fooling around with this emulator, and I can search that data. So I got 9 different incidences of the data coming in now to the NVR, as you see here. So let's say I want to go and see only the voids. So I can select that, research it. Now look, now there's only 6. So 3 of those transactions didn't have voids on them. So if I go back to the playback here, I see the clip of the video in which the incident was occurring. And then on top of that, I have that receipt with that void here of where the hot dog was voided. I guess apparently they didn't want it, whatever. And then from here, now I've got this receipt with the video tagged of that incident. So again, powerful stuff. I mean, this is on all of the NVRs utilizing the latest version of the UI 2.0. Having that text searchability. This is even one of our ARNs, so one of our low-cost units. Again, here kind of showing that capability. On top of that, let's say, hey, look how easy we made it for export. So now I can go right here. I want to export that event, and from there I'd hit OK, and I could have that come out in that AVI file format. Or if I wanted to export a CSV of the events, I could do an export of the CSV file as well. As you see, I've already done. I can double click and open that CSV file, and then have access to those events, when it happened, what was on that receipt as well, and kind of go through that data of those transactions. So really nice, again, feature built right in there. And again, just wanted to show off today that capability of the POS search and text of the data. So hope that was informative. Hope you got something out of it today, and hope you have a good one. Any questions in the future or want to see anything else, just shoot us an email or ask our team, and we'll be happy to kind of maybe put a little video together tutorial. So thanks again. Have a great day.